Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the theme on Brave browser. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the browser and then tap on the 3 vertical dots button in the bottom right corner. Select Settings from the menu that appears. Scroll down Settings and under the Display heading, tap on Appearance. Then tap Theme. Here you can choose between System Default, which will follow your phone's light and dark mode settings, and Light and Dark. Tap the theme you would like to select it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Brave browser tips and tricks.